What is the best crypto exchange in 2021? I've been trading cryptocurrencies for many years and I have tried plenty of different trading platforms. And I'm not gonna take your time, I will tell you right away, the best crypto exchange is Binance. It's by far the largest, the safest and easiest place to buy Bitcoin and hundreds of cryptocurrencies almost anywhere in the world. And there are very good reasons why Binance is also the favorite exchange for most people in the crypto space. Security. 10% of all trading fees are allocated in case of any potential hack. The one time Binance was hacked, they refunded every single user affected, which was unheard of at the time and set today's standards very high. Altcoins. Binance has all the popular altcoins and they are constantly adding more and even unlisting tokens that do not deliver. Ease of use. Binance is pretty much an all-in-one. You can directly buy crypto with your local currency with bank transfer, credit card, or peer-to-peer transactions with zero fees. Buying methods can vary depending on your country. Binance also allows you to stake coins, trade with leverage, and even short sell Bitcoin. If you still don't have a Binance account, sign up with the link below to get a 10% discount on all your spot trading fees for life. US users specifically should go to their sister exchange called Binance US. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more news, promos and discounts for the best cryptocurrency exchange.